I enjoy being an apprentice. I enjoy the feeling of coming into work. I think it's nice just to be in different areas working. It constantly feels as if it's fresh.
I've really enjoyed a lot of the nights working, getting to see kind of behind the scenes what goes on. The mix between studying and work was perfect for me.
Ar hyn o bryd mae gen i 12 apprentice sy'n gweithio dros gwahanol rhannau o SWTRA i datblygu i wneud cyrsiau lefel 3 a lefel 4. Ac hefyd mae yna datblygiad newydd lle fydd nhw'n gallu symud ymlaen i datblygu i wneud lefel 6 sef gradd.
Here at SWTRA, I get plenty of support from the more experienced people in my team and other teams around me, which is good for me because it helps me to progress my career further.
Dwi'n credu mae SWTRA'r lle gorau i wneud apprenticeship. Dwi wedi dysgu llawer o pethau fel sut i gweithio yn well mewn tîm. Mae'n profiad gwaith gwerthfawr.
Earning while I'm learning suits me a lot better because I'm a lot older than the rest of the apprentices, so I've got a family and house bills to pay for. I would say to someone who's in my shoes looking to make a change of career, don't be nervous and scared about it because definitely the best thing I've done is join the apprenticeship.
Byddwn ni'n awgrymu apprenticeiaeth oherwydd mae'n rhoi llawer o profiadau. Chi'n dysgu a mae rhywun yn talu i chi dysgu. Chi'n creu ffrindiau newydd ac dwi'n cael profiadau byddwn ni ddim yn cael os oeddwn ni wedi aros yn prifysgol.
I definitely recommend applying to SWTRA and working for SWTRA. You get so much experience on site and also in office, so you get the best of both worlds. You get a lot of experience rolled into one every single day.